How are fundamental rights defined in the Constitution? Breaking news on a topic that affects everyone. The question many are asking today is, how are fundamental rights defined in the Constitution? With recent discussions surrounding civil liberties, it is vital to understand what these rights entail. Fundamental rights are essential freedoms that the government must protect because they are key to individual dignity and liberty. These rights are often explicitly stated in constitutional provisions, such as the Bill of Rights in the United States Constitution. They are recognized as inherent to all individuals, including freedoms like speech, religion, assembly, and the right to bodily integrity. In constitutional law, these fundamental rights receive special protection. This means that if the government tries to limit these rights, it must provide a very strong justification for doing so. It cannot just use a reasonable or rational basis. For example, the Due Process Clause protects fundamental liberties that society has traditionally recognized as essential. The First Amendment guarantees several fundamental rights, including freedom of speech, religion, and assembly. These rights are so important that government regulation of them is highly limited. Political speech and religious autonomy are protected from state interference. This emphasizes that these rights define how individuals and groups govern themselves without undue government control. In some constitutions, fundamental rights also include the right to resist unlawful acts against citizens. This underscores the importance of protecting personal freedoms against abuse. To summarize, fundamental rights in the Constitution are defined as basic freedoms and liberties essential to personal autonomy and dignity. They are explicitly protected, requiring the government to meet high standards before any restriction can be imposed. With ongoing debates about civil rights and liberties, understanding these fundamental rights is more important than ever. Stay informed and know your rights.